box has something inside of it. Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe and we are back with another unboxing. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of the 2022 regular runs. It's currently 2023 as I film this, but I didn't end up buying any of the regular releases throughout the year, so I waited until now to do so. So I have 2 boxes. Let's get started. It's the 2022 Christmas horse. Snowbird. The rolling aroundness is all these beads rolling on his body. That's great. I don't like collect Christmas horses in specifics, but every few runs of the Christmas horse, I do like what they create. So I have a couple of them. It was actually really fun to decorate my house this year for Christmas with Christmas Breyers. Literally the day after Christmas, Breyer on their website put all of their Christmas stuff at 50% off, so I got this guy for half price. This is from a dealer in Canada that has really good pricing. This is so exciting. Alright, let's start with the first ones. This is Misty and Phantom. I just have a really soft spot for this mold set. Then we got "There better be not a flaw on his belly." So this is Morgan Quest Native Sun, and this is another Breyer on the Troubadour mold. I do really like the sculpture. I painted my Troubadour liver chestnut, and then like a month later Breyer released this guy, so I did it first, but I sold that custom and I wanted a liver chestnut in my collection. And then I got Battlefield Angel HP. This sculpture is done by Lynn Fraley, and Lynn Fraley taught me at the sculpting masterclass, and I really admired her as a person and as a sculpture artist, and I don't have any of her resins, so I can have Breyer buy her. I'm gonna do this unboxing a little bit differently today, and I'm actually gonna open these guys up as a part of the unboxing. So let's start with Battlefield, because I'm gonna do it anyways. Might as well do it on camera. So my question to you people that actually go to Breyer Fest is, do you take a pair of these snippers when you go? Can I take a pair of wire cutters on the plane? This horse is actually so cute on this mold. He's very Lynn. That's what I like about him. You can tell that Lynn sculpted him. Okay, the moment of truth. Is this a fleck of dust or is it in the paint? Fleck of dust! Woo! So I have like a new affliction with chestnuts since buying my own real life liver chestnuts. Now I'm like, all chestnuts are amazing. This guy is flawless. He's perfect. I like me a good troubadour, and a good troubadour in a liver chestnut is a good troubadour. My Ansel has like a wicked tilt. Look at the tilt on him. He's like, woo! This one is like crispy. She's really cute, just black and white pinto. I have this weird thing for black and white pintos as well. I really like them. And then this guy is adorable. This is actually so cute. These two like almost like fit together. And now let's do the Christmas horse. Wow. It's like a weird like little bonnet that he's wearing. So I'm honestly impressed by these. They're usually pretty like impressive, the amount of like detailing and design that they do put into the costuming. And they've been consistent in quality since they started. So that's my little her. This has been DeeJayBe. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on another unboxing journey. Happy collecting to all of you.